This is the unique capability of the landing craft air cushion. It moves seamlessly from water to land without breaking stride.
The first wave of personnel rapidly disembarks from the LCAC. These fully equipped soldiers move with precision, securing the beachhead.
The exercise involves a diverse group of international personnel. Their cooperation is evident, highlighted by
The narrator observes the combined movement of infantry and their vehicle support. Soldiers carrying heavy rucksacks move purposefully across the deck of the landing craft.
Hovercraft allows for a rapid dry landing directly onto the sand, but the traditional LCU assault means wading ashore through the surf zone.
The beach ground crew plays a crucial role, guiding these heavy craft. It takes intense coordination as the
beach controller gives the signal. The massive vehicle deploys, demonstrating its amphibious capability as it powers through the surf. The successful landing of the heavy armor marks the securing of the beachhead, as the vehicle transitions seamlessly from sea to sand.
The beachhead is secure. We are now witnessing the full assembly of forces within.
The steady stream of reinforcements and heavy equipment arriving at this rugged landing zone ensured the continuous flow of troops and armor.
The logistical scale is truly impressive. We're seeing a variety of heavy vehicles, from these tracked AAVs.
The observant narrator focuses on the immense power of the LCAC's turbines, powerful machinery shrouded in their own spray.
The LCAE provides the critical link between the fleet and the shore. Here we see the tracked armor preparing for deployment onto the beach.
We're looking at two distinct approaches here. The tracked vehicles handle the heavy lifting through the surf, while the 8-wheeled machines
The change in weather is notable, yet the operations continue. The exercise proceeds even as the conditions appear to worsen.
The two-way flow of personnel and heavy equipment is continuous. As the armored vehicles secure the beachhead,
The speed and stability of these fully loaded hovercraft, number 78 and 76, moving across the open ocean is truly impressive.
From this high angle, the significant logistical capability and immense carrying capacity of a single craft are clearly emphasized.
the first wave of Marines pushes inland, securing the landing zone. Move out! Keep it tight! Coordinated offload is paramount. The ground marshal's precise signals ensure the safe and efficient movement of the Humvee onto the landing zone.
The exercise includes both deploying and recovering equipment, a full logistical cycle.
The specialized armored recovery vehicle is essential for support here on the arid beachhead. It is now loading onto the craft.
The well deck serves as the staging ground. From here, the troops move toward their next assignment.
Keep the line moving! Push through! We are witnessing the relentless pace of deployment. As the soldiers ascend the ramp, LCAC 39 executes. Here it comes, LCAC 88, absolutely flying across the open ocean. Look at the speed with that armored vehicle strapped to the deck. You're drifting east, adjust course now. Roger, adjusting. Prepare the ramp detail.
The sheer power of the LCAC's massive fans creates a localized brownout, displacing an incredible volume of sand and completely enveloping nearby personnel.
This craft truly highlights its all-terrain capability, easily moving over this scrub brush and straight up the incline.
The hovercraft, number 518, glides inland. A soldier in camouflage walks down the metal ramp as the morning sun rises. Over the airport, the 2nd Marine Expeditionary Force begins its assembly. We are employing different landing tactics today. A dry post-landing march for the squad here, contrasted with the difficult wet amphibious assault you see happening now. The coordination of heavy armor during an amphibious landing is a delicate ballet. The ground crew's precise hand signals.
The AAV is uniquely designed to move through the water just like a boat, maneuvering here in the open ocean.
We can distinguish the recovery variant by its prominent crane, operating alongside the standard AAV flying the US flag.
These massive hovercraft demonstrate significant logistical capacity. LCA-64 is
We are witnessing the powerful transition from sea to land as the craft kicks up a massive plume of water and mist.
Look at the sheer power as the craft slides onto the shore. That is an absolute wall of water and sand kicked up by LC-888.
As the LCAC secures the beach, the ground guide signals the armored vehicle, ensuring a safe and rapid deployment onto the sand.
Now fully inland, the crew prepares for the next phase of the exercise, demonstrating the adaptability of the armored platform.
Holdings. We've examined the two primary classes of amphibious vehicles. While the LAV is optimized for rapid ground maneuvers,
Bravo 2, adjust your vector. Maintain separation from the LCAC. We have positive ingress. Continue securing the deck.
The source of its power, these massive ducted fans, are the powerful machinery driving the LCAC across land and sea.
As LCAC 88 slides onto the beach near the industrial silos, the sheer power of the craft is...
The LCAC 88 is pivoting now. The powerful fans create these intense brownout conditions.
The ground crews and commanders coordinate the landing, while soldiers stand guard. An LCAC delivers a tracked vehicle as Marines move onto the sand.
We are live at the secured beachhead. This is LCAC number 10. The payload, a tracked vehicle, is visible inside. Soldiers are securing the perimeter.
The craft lands near a support vehicle, while a squad of Marines stands ready.
All right, listen up. All right, listen up. The convoy moves out at 08 here. We're taking the main supply route here, crossing the bridge at checkpoint Charlie. Coordination of these heavy assets demands flawless communication. Clear right. Hold position. Watch your spacing. Acknowledge stop. The precise mix of forces has established a beach presence. The troops are now moving inland after the landing. All right, keep it moving. Watch your spacing. Let's go. Let's go.
The significant presence of these two large hovercraft parked here far inland changes the entire view of the bay and the port beyond.
The professional focus gets captured.
All right, move them out. Keep the pace steady.
The landing force quickly established their beachhead, pushing inland to the temporary staging area. Here, the Marines regroup by their armored vehicles.
Final movements of the exercise. The ground guide directs the last armored vehicle off the beach as the troops move out. As the day ends, the ground guide ensures the final armored vehicle is secured aboard of the LCAC.
Here they wait, massive gray shapes against the vibrant green, ready for the call, overlooking the distant industry of the bay.